This is your Swing Alpha trade report for June 2nd, 2017. Yet another strong day in SPY. Looking at financials, financials is forming what looks like a head and shoulders pattern. I wouldn't recommend shorting it just yet. There's a high probability that it will break down below this line. I don't know if that will be the beginning of the next up move or the beginning of the next down move, though. Definitely something to keep your eye on. We've entered in one trade today, NRE. We entered in at the open. Members are alerted to get in around 12.5, 12.6-ish. I had actually thought about recommending this stock about 2 weeks ago, right around 12.10, 12.20, but I really hesitated because they had this strong resistance here, and I wanted to make sure that it was able to break and clear above this resistance first. NRE also has pretty much clear skies, no resistance all the way to the IPO open around 16, so this is definitely a good stock to go long on. We exited one trade today, LVS. We got into LVS about a month and a half ago, right around this breakout here, around mid-April. So we got out today near the highs around 16.5-ish. So that would be a 8.7% profit. If you got out a little later, you could have gotten maybe 9% profit. We were quite lucky because I was expecting this trade to take an extra half a month to maybe a month before it reached target. I would have also recommended members to buy around late May upon this breakout here, but since we already had a position, no additional positions were recommended. So that concludes the trade report for June 2nd, 2017.